composite material that we use on the griddle plate. It's very interesting. It's got a 304 stainless steel bottom, an aluminum core, and then a 304 stainless steel top. The aluminum is only 1/3 the weight of steel, which makes the griddle itself significantly lighter than a normal griddle, making it moving around, even shipping, a lot easier. But the best aspect of aluminum is that it transmits heat 5 times faster than steel. It distributes the heat much more evenly, and what you end up with is a much more consistent temperature profile on the griddle that you don't find in standard carbon steel griddle plates.
One of the ways we like to demonstrate the heat profile on top of the rapid recovery griddle is to do what we call the pancake test, pouring a ribbon of pancake batter around the perimeter of the plate to show the uniformity of browning that's available.
So you can cook a pancake in the corner, in the center, in the front, in the back, on the sides, at the exact same rate, no matter where you are.
One of the important features that our customers are looking for is energy efficiency, and the RRG gas griddle and the RRE electric heavy-duty griddle are both ENERGY STAR certified products.
When we're bringing something to market and we say it's innovative and it's the best and it's got the best features and it's got the best performance, that's a fact. When you're on the winning team and you know it, it makes coming to work every day a lot of fun.